Hello guys, now I am showing how you can merge cells in Microsoft Word both horizontally and vertically. I am using two methods in order to show you this process. So let's get started. First I am selecting the cells vertically, then I have to right click, then merge cells. It is done. And you can select this horizontally, right click, merge cells. It is that easy. Okay, now I am pressing Ctrl Z to undo it, and I am showing you the second method. The second method is, first you have to select the cells you want to merge, then click on it, then you don't have to click on it, you are seeing the button layout, not this one. You have to click on layout and you can find the button merge cells. Click on it. It is done, and I am selecting horizontally and merge cell. Okay, a bonus tip. The bonus tip is I am showing using a shortcut in order to do this. So you first select the cells you want to merge, then you will you will press Alt plus A, M button twice. Okay, easy. The shortcut I am repeating, the shortcut is Alt plus A, M button twice. In this way you can merge cells, any amount of cells you want. So this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching.